Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix cannot verify server identity. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do, you have to just simply close this page, open your setting, and make sure that you are properly connected on internet, and simply scroll down, type your journal, type your software update, and make sure that there is no update on your device. If there have any update, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then simply go back, tap your VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. If there have any connected VPN, then disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then simply go back and tap on setting, type your journal, scroll down, type your shutdown, and restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then go for other solution. The other solution is simply open your setting, tap here mail, tap here add account, simply sign out your Google account, and after this click on add account, and after this tap on Google and add your Google account, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.